Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you are new. If you like what you see here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. And welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So today's video, guys, I'm going to be giving you a 360 up close and personal look at my locks. I feel like these are probably some of my favorite types of videos to do, because not only for me to show you guys how my locks are looking at a particular stage, but also for me to go back and look at how my locks were at this stage. So it's kind of like record keeping for me. So as of today, I am 29 months locks. I did recently do a retie, so y'all see the scalp, y'all see what we working with, y'all see it. And my locks look so bomb to me. Like, they look bomb, the growth is there, like she's hanging, baby, like it's moving, it's doing everything, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I thought, why not, let's go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like up close and personal. So if you started your Microlocs journey and you have started your Microlocs with twists like I did, and you're not as far along in your journey, this will kind of give you some idea of what your locks could look like once you hit the 2.5 year mark. So let's get into it.
Keep that bump, that natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, yeah, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, till you see you in the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. You ask me, don't do where you at, huh? Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like. I don't buy it with a cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, till you see it back, yeah. Back, till you see it from the back, yeah. Back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bring that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese. I don't put rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Get you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, sometimes you won't. You told me don't. With no is you know. Nah, you got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that up close and personal look at Miss Lola. Let me know what you think of my locks down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.